So back in Marwadi, that I expected that I will not come here, but somehow I have to collect my immigration certificate to take admission in another university. This is the Voss College, and I have been part of that and visited it again. I hope I don't see any familiar faces now after ending my college over here. I'm tired of this college now. Another thing is that the system is very slow. It is if it has competition with the government, then definitely Marwadi will lose the competition too, because that is too slow, bro. So now I'm going to student section to collect my immigration certificate. Don't know how much time they will take, but let's see. Okay, Marwadi is not giving any easy time. I have to go through second floor, through ground floor, and through again. And at the result, I get that I will get this migration certificate after 5 to 6 days. So again, it's getting postponed, and I have to suffer this all again. Oh, bro, seriously, dude. I have expected that I will not see this Marwadi after this time. Then I get an accreditation. After 5 to 6 days, I have to come back again to collect my migration certificate. Today I just started or initiated process. Wow, there is a lectures going on, and I'm making a shooting a vlog. It is a fun kind of thing. So yep, now I have to pay the bill, and then I will get receipt and give it to the student. So after going at there is a account office, they call me to pay a case, and I always carry a case. But today I don't have my purse, and I only have the online payment, and they said that online is not receivable. Good, online is not receivable, so I have to get case from somewhere. Don't know how will I get case. Bro, seriously, this guy. Now I'm going to stationery to collect this. Okay. This dude was good stationery guy. He gave me 100 rupees while I pay online. So it was a good. These people helped me in my years and till now against this already. So far so good. And now going through this already to pay 100 rupees, and then I will be free, I guess, for today. Then I will have to collect this certificate later on. So till then, see you guys. Finally received the receipt. Yeah. Even I have this in Chandigarh. Out of top. So most probably getting done with these things. Another class, lecture. So now I don't think I have to be here and roam around the university with full empty wardrobe and all. Not wardrobe, corridors and all. I must leave this thing again. So that's all. There's a library on the 5th floor, 6th floor, which is where I spend most of my time. And there is my department's faculties, office or cabins, which I also spend time. Not for any good thing, but yeah, I have spent there. So now it has been done. I'm ending this talk, and yeah, this thing has been done. Feel free, and getting admission in university also kind of tragic thing to do, because not having expectation after leaving this college, because the worst experience I have been here, I have had here. Yeah, this is the entrance of the Marwadi, and yep, there's the done. All thing has been proceed to be done. Yeah, you can see this is the college. This is my college or university. Quite good, but I don't have any good experience over here, so I cannot say anything about that. And yeah, that's all. So far so good.